morning. Yes, how are you guys? It's been a while and it's been like 2 weeks na nag-stop na yung snow and look, ang lalaki ng butil oh. Pasensya na at hindi ako nakapag-update for like how many months. Oh my gosh, ito parang in just 10 minutes oh, puno na agad. Actually, we thought that it's already spring. Actually, spring na, March na kasi. So, but, look. Talagang consistent or reliable ang ating weather forecast. Kasi sabi, heavy snow today, Sunday, March 9. And, yes, grabe, ang ganda guys. So, yan, magbebenta lang kami ng kalakal. So, let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Oh, grabe yung patak. O, tingnan yung lalaki. Oh. Hindi lang siya as in snowflakes na. Grabe ang patak. Oh. Ang lalaki. Oo. Oh. Diba? Hindi yung small flakes talaga. Malalaki yung patak. So, malamang ayan. Kasi hindi ko pa na-enjoy ang winter. Ang snow. Pero tunaw siya agad. Kasi mainit eh. Sunny. 1 degree lang. Pero ang lalaki. Heavy snow. Ayan guys, so kita nyo ba yung salubong ng snow is talagang ang lalaki ng patak, parang mag-hail na buo siya. Yan, it's positive 1 degree dito, so parang mainit pa din kasi yan, biglang snow. Malinis na yung kalsada eh. Pero yan, mabubuo pa.